scrolling through TikTok, replying to WhatsApp messages, or playing online games. It feels normal, doesn't it? But behind that small screen, there's a big danger that we often take for granted: cyberbullying. Many people think cyberbullying is not a serious problem. Some say it's just a joke or it's only comments and sticker in a group chat. But the truth is, cyberbullying can hurt more than we realize. Unlike bullying at school, cyberbullying follows us everywhere. It doesn't stop when we go home. It doesn't stop when this phone is silent. It stays on the screen and sometimes it stays in our mind. Let me explain why this issue is so serious. First, invisible wounds hurt the most. If we fall off a bike, the wound is visible. People can see it and it can be treated. But when someone is called ugly, stupid, or laughed at online, the wound is invisible. The pain can make someone lose confidence, avoid school, or even hate themselves. And sadly, many people never see this pain because it is hidden behind the screen. Second, digital footprints are permanent. What we type today may stay forever. Even if we delete it, screenshots can be taken and messages can be saved. Imagine growing up and applying for a job or scholarship, but your past action online show that you once hurt others. That is how serious digital footprints are. This is why ethics in using social media is important. Ethics teaches us empathy, the ability to feel what others might feel. Before posting or commenting, we should ask ourselves, will I be okay if someone said this to me? Will I say this directly to their face? Ethics also teaches responsibility. Social media gives us freedom to express ourselves, but freedom does not mean we can hurt others. As teenagers, we are one of the most active users of social media. That means we are not just users, we are decision makers. We can choose to become part of the problem, or we can choose to become part of the solution. Sometimes, stopping ourselves from posting a mean comment is already brave and ethical choice. So, let us remember this. Behind every username, there is a real person, with real feelings and real struggles. Let us use social media not to hurt, but to support, because what we post today can shape who we become tomorrow. Thank you for your attention.